A quick update on Luna Classic here. So the first thing you notice on the chart, of course, is the large triangle pattern marked out in yellow here. The price is back down here at the bottom at the 786. So we're going to get into a couple of things here. I think the price is about to hold and go sideways for a little bit on Luna Classic here. Could break down like it has in the past to where we get these wicks down. There's nothing bullish right now besides this large triangle pattern on Luna Classic. You have lower highs here. The fact that you're making higher highs makes it more bullish than it should be. But you can see the 786 here at 7.0 down to 7.2, low to the high, and then low to the high. Of course, you're hitting that double 786 final support right at this trend area. And then if we go down to the 3-day chart here, you can see that if we bring up our moving averages, we did have that bearish cross with a little gap in the middle, and you can see the stock RSI, or the RSI rather, is down below 50, so that tends to favor a move down. And if it's anywhere in here, then you can see we came down and we just went sideways along this support down here before we decided to bounce back to the upside. Now the other thing that favors a move down and sideways and no move up at the moment is if we go down to the 4-hour time frame, you can see that there is hidden bearish divergence with the lower high and then the higher high on the RSI here. So that tells me that the price of Luna Classic here is probably going to come out and stall out like it did last time, to where it dips down and we just kind of go sideways and do nothing for a little bit along this 7 area here, 407. So it depends on how low we're going to go. There is no really significant levels, unless what we do here would be to draw a support and resistance line here at this little double bottom pattern where we got stuck and then we broke out. So you could have the price come down to this green line here and hit 6.7 from where you are right now, and then it goes sideways from that point. But like I said, the move down is still favored. I wouldn't expect this thing to get an immediate bounce anytime soon, so maybe another 15% drop, if not more, with a wick down below that area there. Now, with all that being said, the bigger question is, if you're buying this thing on the dip, where is it going to end up in 2025? Now, we do have a couple of targets to look at here in Luna Classic. Once you get back over the 236 here, you can see at 9.1, that is going to confirm the bottom again. Bullish over the 382 at 1.3, and it looks like your breakout at this point, once you break this lower high structure over the 0.5 at 17, once you break this finally, you'll break out of this triangle pattern, and the confirmation will be over 3023 for this thing to have this whole move down and sideways officially over, and the breakout from this triangle pattern here. So that would be the best spot to be in. Now, like I said, the bigger question is, where is it going to end up? I know a lot of people think this thing could hit a penny. So if you're in that camp, that would take you potentially to a 66 billion market cap. That could have changed, because I know they are doing burns and whatever else they're doing, but that would give you a 173x. So that is a moonshot in my opinion. I really don't think that's going to happen. If you want to be way more conservative and just say the new highs coming into play, the 1272 at 201, that would get you potential a 5 billion market cap and a 14.5, maybe a 15x from where you are today. And then a little more to the upside would be the 1618, I would say, at 002. So I think two good targets would be 001 and then 002, and that would give you on Luna Classic here a 34.5, almost a 35x on the price here. But comment down below, what are your thoughts? None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.